Welcome to GrowingCraft, and today we have something really interesting. Just imagine you have a lot of friends coming to your place and you want to make a quick DIY gift. Now, this is a perfect tutorial for you. Now, these are the wooden hangings, and इस पे हम करने वाले हैं हमारा acrylic paint, chalk paint. But meanwhile, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and leave your feedbacks in the comment section. Now, coming back to the tutorial, this is a beautiful image transfer project where I'm going to make a very quick DIY handmade gifts for your family and friends. Now, on each basis, I am going to use my acrylic paint. You can use your chalk paint. Now, here I'm using my metallic chalk paints and I'm going to spread this really well on my complete base. You have to make sure that when you're playing around with number of pieces, you try to repeat one of these steps at a time, and that looks really good. Now here you have to make sure that you are not using any of the gessos, because here I am using my wooden blocks and I really wanted to have the natural look and feel. So I am just going to make sure that my just the paint, just the transfer sheet, just my stencil work, and tada, it is done. So once my paint work is done, I'm going to use my heat gun. If you know me, and then definitely you will realize that yes, we can save a lot of time here. Now, once my drying work is done, here comes the fun part. So after this process, I am going to use my transfer sheet. Now, off camera, I have already done the fussy cutting work. If you want, you can just use the whole transfer sheets, but I just wanted to have these beautiful god hanging, so I'm just going to stick this. Now, one of the interesting steps, usually we do the stencil work earlier, but here I really wanted to have my stencil work, my background design only around my transfer sheet. So here what I'm going to do is I'm using my metallic chalk paint and I'm using my stencil brush and I'm using my craft stencil, and I'm going to make a design around. This is a very interesting step, but you have to make sure that your chalk paint has dried out completely, your transfer sheet has sticked really well. Now, one more idea what you can do is you can even use your image transfer techniques in the same way. Now, once this dries out completely, then we are going to soak our transfer sheet, or you can use your image transfer, photo transfer, soak it really well, and then you can start taking it out. With the transfer sheet, you have to be very careful. You have to make sure if it is soaked really well, it will come out easily without literally giving any damage to your picture. So this is one of the DIYs and one of the best techniques for creating quick gifting. Now, in the same technique, you can make your coasters, you can make your wall frames, you can make your DIY crafts, you can make your beautiful magnets, whatnot. This is one of my favorite techniques for quick gifting. Now, once this is done, I am going to slide it out and ta-da! Can you see this is already looking so gorgeous? And trust me, you don't have to do anything else in this. Likewise, I did my transfer sheet work with all of my bases and they look so amazing and beautiful. Just quickly soak it really well, slide it off, and it was so fun to do that I really loved doing it. This way, very quickly, within a half an hour's time, I was able to make my 12 hangings and they look absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Now, here is an important step. You do not miss out on using your varnish. Now, for all the pieces, I have done 2 coats of varnish and they are done. Do let me know in the comment section if you really like these hangings, and trust me, because each wooden shape is different, each the picture what I have used is different. They look absolutely gorgeous, very different and very beautiful. Do let me know if you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.